What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to reseat, remove, and install RAM into your PC. Whether you're troubleshooting or upgrading, this is one of the easiest and most effective upgrades you can do. Let's get started. First, make sure that your PC is completely powered off. Unplug it and press the power button a few times to drain any leftover electricity. Next, remove the side panel. If it's tempered glass, be sure to handle it carefully. To remove your RAM, simply find the RAM sticks. They're the long modules on the motherboard. To remove one, push down on the clips on each end. If it only has a single clip, or if one of them only moves, that's normal, so don't force the other side. The RAM should pop up slightly, then just gently pull it out by the edges. Avoid touching the gold contacts or the chips. If you see dust or if you're troubleshooting issues, use compressed air or a soft static-free brush to clean the slot before reinserting RAM. If your PC isn't booting up or seems unstable, reseating your RAM might help. Just remove it, clean the contacts if needed, and press it back in firmly until it clicks into place. If you're upgrading, first check that your RAM is compatible with your system. Look at the notch on the bottom of the stick. It only fits one way, so don't force it. Line it up and press it down firmly until you hear a click. And make sure both clips lock into place. Do not press on it horizontally or all on one end, or your RAM might rest in peace. Now put your PC back together, plug everything in, and power it on. If you installed new RAM, the first boot might take longer, but don't worry, that's normal. Once in Windows, check Task Manager to see what speed your RAM is running at and if it's all detected. If your RAM supports XMP, reboot into BIOS and enable it to run at its best performance. And that's it. You successfully reseated, removed, or installed new RAM into your PC. If this video has helped, be sure to drop a like and subscribe down below for more PC tips. And drop a comment down below if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Peace out.